In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect make.com to WordPress. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. To get started, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate over to the Plugins section, then click on Add New Plugin. This is where we're going to find the tool we need to connect make.com to WordPress. In the search bar, type in Make Connector. You should see it pop up in the results. Go ahead and click on Install Now. Don't forget to click Activate after it installs. This step is crucial because it activates the plugin, allowing us to proceed with the connection. After you activate the plugin, take a look at the left-hand sidebar menu of your WordPress admin. You should see a new option called Make. Click on it, and here you will find your unique API key. Go ahead and take note of that API key. We'll need it in the next step. Now that we have our API key, let's set up the connection in make.com. Open your scenario on make.com. If you haven't created one yet, you'll want to do that. Once you're in a scenario, click on the large plus button, which is usually located right in the middle of the screen. This is where you can add a new module. In the search bar, you'll want to type WordPress. From the drop-down, select the action module that suits your needs. For this tutorial, let's choose Create a Post. When you select that, a module configuration window will appear. In this window, look for an option that says Add to create a new connection. Clicking this will prompt you to fill out a couple of fields. First, let's enter the API key. Go ahead and copy the API key you generated earlier from the Make Connector plugin in WordPress and then paste it into this field. Next, you'll need to enter the URL. This is where you'll provide your website's base URL, but make sure you follow it precisely with /p_json/. For example, if your website is called example.com, you would enter it as https:/example.com/wp_json/. And, very importantly, don't forget that trailing / at the end. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. Once you have those fields filled out, click Save to verify the connection. If everything goes well, you'll see your custom WordPress post categories or drop-downs automatically populate in the editor, confirming that the connection is successful. Now it's time to test the setup. Fill in some temporary values for the title and content fields. These can be anything for now, just placeholders to check if everything is working smoothly. After you do that, right-click on the WordPress module and select Run this module only. This will execute the action we've set up. And finally, all that's left to do is check your WordPress posts dashboard to confirm that your test article either successfully published or was saved as a draft. If you see your test post there, congratulations! You've successfully connected make.com to WordPress.